Hi everybody, this is Rob from CTOUCH. I'm going to show you how you can remotely control your UBoardMate CC from the back of the class using an iPad or a tablet, Android tablet. You just, of course, download the app. Just tap mobile over here. Make sure you're on the same network. You can download the app by tapping download and scanning the QR code. Or of course, connect immediately because now I already download the app and installed it. Just tap, scan the QR codes. Now you connect it, and now you can remotely control the screen using, like for instance, rolling the dice, or start a timer, or use a spotlight on the screen, and many more options.